So you want to learn how to create momentum in your Facebook challenge group. Fantastic. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do just that. So stay tuned. Hey there, my name is Lisa Torres from LisaTorresSpeaks.com, and I teach network marketers how to get real results using social media. Today I want to talk to you about building momentum inside of your Facebook challenge groups. Over the past 5 weeks, for the whole month of January, we've been talking about challenge groups. And if you missed episode number 1, I talked about how I personally sponsored 52 new members in 1 month with my Facebook challenge group. Week number 2, I shared with you how to add bonuses inside of your Facebook challenge groups. Week number 3, we talked about how to prospect and close more customers and reps inside of your business using your Facebook challenge groups. And today is week 4. Is it 4? Yes, it is 4. It is 4. And today I want to teach you how to build momentum in your Facebook challenge groups. So one of the things that I personally like to do is, first of all, Facebook has a new feature. I'm not even sure exactly when they launched this feature. And I didn't even hear about it or read about it. I actually just stumbled upon it inside of my own Facebook group. On the right-hand side where you see the members, there's actually a little button that says something like write a message or welcome new members or something like that. And when you click it, what it does is it opens up a brand new post inside of the group, and it tags all of the new members so that you don't have to do it manually. It does it automatically for you. And so one of the things that I like to do is, every, couple of days, I like to click that button and welcome, and, it automatically tags. So I like to welcome all of the new members and, inside of the group, and just let them know what to expect and when the challenge is starting and all that good stuff. Another thing that I like to do to build momentum is, as the challenge group is going along, let's say we're on day 3, for example, and in day 3, we've already had a ton of people getting leads and generating sales. So what I like to do is I like to, take screenshots of those little testimonials that I'm getting and then brag about them inside of the challenge group. Because when people see that other people are getting results, they get excited. And that's what you want. The excitement is what builds up that momentum. There's also another feature inside of your Facebook group under Group Insights. And what you can do is you can see your top commenters. So you can see the top 10 people that are the most active inside of your Facebook group. So what I like to do is I like to take a screenshot of that and tag everybody in the top 10 and just thank them for being an active member inside of the group. People love that. And that creates momentum as well, because if people are seeing that other people in the top 10, they're going to want to be a little bit more engaged so that you can announce them and, recognize them in your next post. People love recognition. And the final thing that I like to do to build momentum is, at the end of my 5th day of the 5-day challenge group, when the sales are coming in and people are enrolling in my business, I like to welcome my brand new customers for taking action and taking that next step to working with me further. So if you're signing up customers, if you're signing up new reps, if you're signing up new coaching clients, make sure that you announce the new members inside of your group, so that other people could see that other people are actually taking action on, working closely with you in whatever it is that you're selling on the 5th day. So those are just some of the things that I like to do inside of my challenge groups to create that momentum. So for this month, I actually created a free resource for you. It's my free 5 steps to running your own profitable challenge groups. And you can download it for free at LisaTorresSpeaks.com/free1. And you can grab that link here or find it down below inside of the description below, or in the comments if you're watching this on Facebook. So next week is the final week, and next week I'm going to share with you how to build your challenge group to over 1,000 members in just 30 days. I hope you're excited about that, because I'm definitely excited to share that with you. So if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and share, and I will see you on the next one.